Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the Clubhouse channel. Today we're in here working on Calvin's. What is this? Something. So we're supposed to be getting it running. It's been leaking gas. Is there actually gas in there? Oh. Is there actually gas in there? Why do you look so surprised?
Thing's loud. It's never been that loud.
We have the bike back together. For the most part, we have to put the air filter back together, but we're going to clean these filters out because they're absolutely disgusting. I'm going to wash these out, come back tomorrow, assemble it, probably take it in the woods and take it for a test rip.
The next day.
Day 2, we're back out here. So we got the air box put back together. We cleaned up the filters. We got the bike pretty much assembled. We're going to be rolling it out, putting it in the back of the truck. Then we're going to go ride. Got the bike all loaded up in the truck. We're using these Rhino USA straps. You guys want to check these out? These are freaking awesome. I'll show you guys later how these work, but if you guys go to my TikTok, I'll tag it down below. You guys can check these out. These are actually freaking amazing. My friends at Rhino USA sent me these, and they're so easy to strap. Even a kid could do it. Even though I don't recommend a kid doing it, but you know, a kid could do it. Getting gas in the truck. I'm gonna do $8 premium in this. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Have a good one.
We are good to go.
Let's hit the road. Check this out. Boom. Easy. Easy squeezy. Lemon peasy. Last night, it just paid off, huh? Is there actually gas in there? Alright. To your right! Right! Ah, he stalled it. Keep up with him now. This truck ain't gonna be able to keep up with him. It's too big. That's why I bought this truck, though. You know, to go trail riding and stuff. That's really why I bought it, because I love the woods, and we were beating up the Durango. Like, we were taking the Durango out here, and we were just beating the ever-loving crap out of it. See if he went the right way. He went the right way. Let's go. We're gonna go out this way. Let her f***ing eat. Here goes another one. Here's another one. The thing about this truck is it doesn't even need to be in four-wheel drive through half this stuff. This truck is so massive. It's literally it's a big heavy-duty truck, and we got some off-road tires on her, so she's not getting stuck anytime soon. I was trying to come around that turn fast and drift a half-ton truck, and I almost hit that tree head on. I think I learned my lesson with that one. Oh, there's railroad tracks over here. So I came across these awesome railroad tracks going right through the woods. It's crazy. Look at these. How old do you think these are? Parked right on the railroad tracks. The ghost train. You having fun? A dookie. A dookie? A dookie?
A dookie.
We're gonna get going. Bye-bye, railroad tracks. It was fun. Hope no train comes while I'm sitting here. I hear the train a-coming. It's rolling round the bend. And I ain't seen the sunshine, and I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on. But that train keeps a-rolling on down the San Antonio. If you don't like Johnny Cash, get off my channel. Just kidding, guys.
What is it?
What?
The little shack.
There's a shack?
Yeah.
I'm backing up because apparently Calvin just saw a little shack in the middle of the woods here, and I'm kind of intrigued by it. Yes, guys, I have a backup camera on this truck. It's pretty cool. It's from Car Pure Ride. I'll put the link down below if you guys want to check it out. If you have an old shit box, I'll tell you what, this thing is freaking amazing. What the hell is that? It's like an old shack over here. What the hell is this?
No.
Did you just break another one?
No. Just decided that it didn't want to stick.
There's a old bottle up here. I don't know if it's old or not. Been here for a long time, whatever it is. Building or something, because look, there's all kinds of bricks. For like a fireplace or something. I don't know what we stumbled across, but I thought right here, I was like, yo, this is a cool place to have a bonfire. Nope. No, sir. I say we get the hell out of here. What do you say?
Yeah.
Let's get the hell out of here. So I found my first major obstacle. This road has been recently ripped up, and that looks nasty. I don't want to go back the way we came, but I'm scared. If Calvin can come up here and test it, maybe ride through it with your bike. You think I'm good with some speed?
A little bit.
I guess we're gonna go for it. I don't know. I'm kind of scared, but it completely knocked it out of gear, out of four-wheel drive. Like, boom. That was nasty. I didn't like that. That was fucking nasty. Alright, well, we got through it.
Let me go in front and try to figure out a way out.
This is fucking nasty! This is gross. I think if we go straight right to there, I think it's over.
Right there, because the main road is coming back up. What we're just on, I'm going to try and just speed through here. Or do you want to go that way?
Do you feel more comfortable going that way?
It's really deep.
That way?
You're all the way up to your rims.
What?
You're up to your rims.
Alright, I'll take your word for it. That was fucking nasty. That was so nasty, dude. That was some nasty shit, man. I didn't like that. What is this? Bro, I hit hard. I didn't have a choice. I had to get out. Sure, everything underneath is okay. I think we're good. It's got a bunch of mud, bunch of muck. Ugh. Nasty. How'd your bike take that?
It sucked it.
Most of these holes aren't even deep. They're just filled with water. They're solid on the bottom. It's basically like concrete. This stuff packs down like concrete. Look at the fog out here, guys. Getting extra spooky out here. Look at this. Fog is really heavy out here now, adding for a nice spooky touch.
This bolt is hitting.
Oh, what happened? Oh, your thing is off. Your whole brake pad is like, oh, what the hell? Well, the issue we're having here is this caliper is missing a bolt. If you look right here, it's a bolt missing. It's that bolt right there. So I'm going to see if I have this bolt. I've got an assortment of bolts here from Harbor Freight. I don't know which ones will fit, so I might take the other one off just to match it up and see. Like, we put 2 new bolts in, but they're not the right size. They're too long. So we had to put some spacers in, which are just lock washers for now until we get some shorter bolts. But it's tight. It works. It's all that matters. Trail fix. So now we can get on our way. Hearing coyotes. You know what that means? It's time to get the fuck out of here. Lock up shop. Close up shop. Get the fuck out of here. So we're hearing more and more coyotes out here. We've got hundreds over this side. We got fog. We've got the bike breaking down, so we're just going to get the hell out of here. We're going to pull up the road a little ways, get away from these coyote sounds, load up the truck, and get out of here. Want to just load it up here? We'll go to the end of the road. Alright?
I forgot to turn the fuel on. So it ran out of fuel.
It is hella spooky out here tonight. Like, it just got extra spooky. I don't know why. We're gonna load this beast up now. It's starting to get chilly out here. Calvin's getting cold. We're hearing coyotes and shit. So we don't want to take no chances out here. This is the first time we've ever actually had a successful ride out here.
Without something major.
Without something major going on.
I mean, we did have the brake.
Well,
that decided that it didn't want to be a brake.
Alright, let me just go like this.
Don't worry too much.
She's good. Gorilla straps for the win. These things are freaking amazing. Quite literally amazing. I feel bad for anyone who pulls up behind me while I got this light on. Here's the setup I got. Here's my regular headlights. There's the light bar. A lot of people in my comments on TikTok tell me to get rid of the light bar. This is what I use it for off-road. So why would I get rid of it? You need that off-road. Because this little dinky light, that little dinky light don't do nothing. That's why you need
Can I see your phone?
Yeah, what do you need?
Flashlight.
How much gas do we use?
Like 3/4 of an inch.
Is there actually gas in there? So she got a little muddy today, but I'll tell you what didn't get muddy are Rhino USA straps. So go check them out. She did good. Someone's hauling ass down this road. Someone's hauling ass down this road. I can hear them. Alright guys, but if you did enjoy this video and you want more off-road adventures and outdoor content, please do me a favor, click subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a video, click that bell, and also guys, go follow me on Instagram at either ClawbossNJ or Real Clawboss. I use both, I'm active on both, so check me out. Share this video with your friends. Show your friends how much fun we have on this channel, because we had some fun. We had some fun today. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys in my next adventure. Have a great day. Peace. If you guys did enjoy this video, please consider clicking the subscribe button. And also guys, go check out one of our other awesome, amazing videos.